This video is going to show you how to fill out the form that is the CMS L564. This is the request for employer information. You'll need this if you're retiring after the age of 65 and you've been on an employer group health plan since turning 65. This will prove that you've had creditable coverage, and it will make it so that you don't get penalized when you add Medicare Part B later. Now we're going to look at the form that you need from your employer. This is the CMS L564. What you'll do is, again, in your search engine, just type up CMS form L564. Then click on the version of this form that comes from cms.gov right here. This is going to take you to a landing page that's going to explain the form and what it's used for. And then down here, you can pick the English version or the Spanish version. I'm going to pick the English version. Page 1 is going to be instructions, and page 2 is the actual form. A lot of times you're just going to download this form and send it to your HR department. This is a fillable form, so you can see where all these blue fields pop up. Your employer can just type in on it. Now, down here, after they've filled in all the pertinent information, you need a company official to sign it. I have received these forms from clients where the company used a signing software like DocuSign or Adobe Sign, and it does a date and time stamp. And Medicare, Social Security, they've taken that form. So keep that in mind, that if they sign it electronically, as long as it has that date stamp showing that it was signed with a certain software, it'll be fine. But then they sign it here and they put their title and phone number. This is it. It's just this form. That's all they have to fill out. Remember, if you're covering a spouse on your plan, you're going to need a form for both you and your spouse if both of you are over 65. So on one form, the applicant's name will be you, and you'll be the employee. On the other form, the applicant's name will be your spouse, but then you will still be the employee because you're the one holding the coverage. Keep that in mind. Remember, this form needs to accompany the Medicare Part B application, so that there's no loss in translation, so that everything goes together. So you'll send this form plus the Medicare Part B application together to Social Security. Please remember that it's really good to fill out this form and send it with your Medicare Part B application. So please do not send your Part B application while you're waiting for your employer to get this form completed for you. Please wait and put them together when you send them to Social Security. That will help you not have any problems. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching.